Welcome back to the English Essences podcast.
Join us and learn English fast.
Hello, my friend. I am really glad you are here today. Maybe you are tired. Maybe your mind feels full. So let us slow down together, just for a moment.
Yeah, hello. I feel that too. Today feels quiet and a little heavy, but also warm because I am here.
Yes, you are safe here. No rush, no pressure, just two people talking, like friends.
That feels nice. You know, today I was thinking about something very simple, something small, but a bit scary for me.
Oh? Tell me. I am listening.
I was at a market, a local market. People everywhere, sounds, colors, voices, and I wanted to buy some fruit, but I felt nervous.
I understand. Markets can feel big and loud, and asking something there can feel hard.
Yes, I wanted to ask the price and maybe ask for a discount, but my heart was beating fast. I felt shy.
That feeling is very human. Many people feel that. You are not alone. Let me gently help with one word. The word is market. A market is a place where people sell things, like fruit, clothes, or vegetables, often outside, with many small shops.
Ah, yes, a market. I go there often, but speaking there, feels different.
It does, because you talk to strangers, and you want to be polite.
Exactly. I did not want to sound rude or silly.
You care. That is a good thing. And today we can talk about this feeling, softly, slowly.
That sounds good. I already feel calmer.
Good. So let us imagine that moment. You stand in front of the seller. You look at the fruit. You want to ask the price.
Yes, I look at the apples. They look fresh, red, nice.
And your mouth feels dry. Your mind feels empty.
Yes, exactly.
It is okay. We start with very simple words, very kind words.
Like, excuse me?
Yes, that is a good start, very gentle. Let me explain one small word. The word is price. Price means how much money something costs. For example, the price of apples or the price of a shirt.
Ah, yes, price. I know that word, but saying it feels scary.
That fear is soft. We can hold it gently.
So I can say, excuse me, what is the price?
Yes, that is very clear, very polite. And you can also say it in other easy ways. You can say, "Excuse me, how much is this?" Or, "How much are these apples?"
How much is this? That feels simple.
Yes, simple is good. Now, let me speak softly to you. You can say, "How much is this?" In your life, you might say, "Excuse me, how much is this?" Or, "Can you tell me the price?"
I like that. It feels safe.
Good.
But Emma, what about asking for a discount? That feels even harder.
Yes, asking for a discount touches our emotions. We worry about respect, about face, about feelings.
Yes, I feel shy. I feel small.
Let us slow that down. Let me explain another word. The word is discount. Discount means paying less money. It is a lower price. For example, 10 rupees less or 20 rupees less.
Ah, discount. Paying less.
Yes, and asking for a discount can be kind when your voice is soft.
So what can I say?
You can say very gently, "Is there any discount?"
S.
"Is there any discount?"
Hmm.
Yes, or "Can you give me a small discount?"
Oh, small discount. That feels nicer.
It does. It sounds respectful. Let us practice one simple sentence now. You can say, "Is there any discount?" In your life, you might say, "Can you give me a small discount?" Or, "Can you reduce the price a little?"
Reduce.
Yes, we will talk about that word too.
Okay.
The word is reduce. Reduce means to make something smaller. In a market, reduce the price means make it lower.
Ah, reduce the price.
Yes, very useful.
Emma, sometimes the seller says no, and I feel embarrassed.
Thank you for saying that. That feeling matters. Let me explain one more word. The word is embarrassed. Embarrassed means you feel shy or uncomfortable, like when you make a small mistake in public.
Yes, that's exactly how I feel.
If the seller says no, it is not about you. It is just business.
Business.
Let me explain that word too. Business means buying and selling things. It is not personal. It is work.
Oh,
So it's not about my value. Exactly. You are always enough.
that makes me feel lighter.
Good.
What if the seller says, this is the final price?
Ah, yes, that happens. The word final means last, no more change. The final price means it cannot go lower.
I see.
When that happens, you can smile and say, "Okay, thank you."
Just thank you?
Yes, simple, kind. Let us practice one simple sentence again. You can say, "Okay, thank you." In your life, you might say, "All right, thank you." Or, "Okay, I understand. Thank you."
S. That feels polite and calm.
Calm words create calm feelings.
Emma, sometimes I want to buy many things and then ask for a discount.
That is very common and very natural. Let me explain one helpful word. The word is together. Together means at the same time or as a group.
Together. Like buying things together.
Yes, you can say, "If I buy these together, can you give a discount?"
Oh, that sounds smart.
Yes, and still kind. Let us gently practice. You can say, "If I buy these together, can you give a discount?" In your life, you might say, "I want to buy more. Can you reduce the price?" Or, "Can you make it a little cheaper?"
Cheaper. That word feels easy.
Yes, cheaper means lower price. Let me explain it clearly. Cheaper means something costs less money, not expensive.
Ah, cheaper. I like that word.
It is friendly.
Emma, what about tone? My voice shakes.
Tone matters, but not perfection. Let me explain the word tone. Tone means how your voice sounds: soft, hard, kind.
So, a soft tone helps.
Yes, a soft tone opens hearts.
I can try that.
You already are trying. That is enough.
Sometimes I also want to walk away if the price is too high.
That is okay too. Let me explain walk away. Walk away means to leave, to not buy.
Oh, so I can just leave?
Yes, you can smile and say, thank you, and walk away.
That feels powerful, but calm.
Quiet strength. Let us practice one more sentence. You can say, I will think about it. In your life, you might say, let me think, or I will come back later.
I like that. No pressure.
Yes, markets should not hurt your heart.
Emma, after talking like this, I feel less afraid.
That makes me happy.
I feel like I can speak, slowly, kindly.
You can, and you already do. Let me softly remind you of some words we shared. Market, price, discount, reduce, cheaper, final, together.
They feel familiar now.
And some gentle sentences. How much is this? Is there any discount? Can you make it cheaper? Okay, thank you. I will think about it.
They feel usable, real.
That is the goal. Real life, real feelings. Before we go, let me ask you something. Softly. Next time you are in a market, how do you want to feel in your body?
Calm. Open. Not rushed.
That is beautiful. And one more question. What kind words can you say to yourself before you speak?
Quiet. It is okay. I can try.
Gentle smile. Yes, that is enough. Thank you for being here with me. If this conversation felt warm, you can like this episode. You can subscribe, and you can share your thoughts in the comments.
Yeah, we would love to hear from you.
Slow breath. Take care of yourself. Be kind to your voice and to your heart.
Bye. Soft smile.
Bye for now. Quiet pause.